All right, we're gonna start with the sunshade for the front. You wanna make sure that the Alien logo is facing the back, and we're gonna start with the smaller of the two TBar bungees, the 13-inch TBar bungees. We're just gonna thread this through the sunshade with the TBar on the bottom. We're gonna grab our slim installation tool. This is gonna help you grab the bungee on the other side. We're gonna thread this through right here, grabbing the bungee. Just gonna get this out of the way so you guys can see. And we're just gonna grab the TBar strap and we're gonna meet it in the middle right there, and we're good to go. Now we're gonna grab the longer of the two TBar bungees, the 15-inch, and we're gonna do the same thing for the corner. When you're going through the corner, it helps to kind of go on a 45-degree angle here. So we'll go right here. You'll see it kind of pop through on the other side. Grab the bungee cord and wrap it around the TBar. Okay, we're gonna move to the other side of the sunshade. We're gonna slide it, we're gonna thread the TBar bungee through the shade, and again, we're gonna slide the slim installation tool just over the windshield. Then you're just gonna secure the bungee, pretty simple, right across. We're gonna do the same thing for the corner. We're gonna grab our installation tool, slide it through on a 45-degree angle right here, right past the windshield. You'll see the windshield clip kind of pop through. All right, once the front's installed, we're gonna grab our 8.5-inch bungees, the smallest bungees that we have, and we're gonna thread these right through the sides. I like just grabbing the bungee ball and then meeting it right in the middle. Once it's installed, you kind of slide it inside, and we're gonna repeat that process for the rest of the sides here. Pretty simple, nice quick install. We're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Okay, we're gonna move to the rear bungees. It's best to do this from the back seat, it's a little bit easier. We're gonna grab our 15-inch bungees, or the longest bungees that came in your front pack. Again, thread through with the TBar, with the bungee ball on the bottom. Just gonna grab it over the speaker bar, and then we're just gonna reach across, get a nice big stretch, grab it right over the bungee ball, and you're good to go. Gonna repeat the same process for the other side. All right, the hardest part's been done, and we're gonna move to the rear corners here. We're gonna grab our 10-inch bungees and repeat the same process. Just grab the bungee on the other side, put it right through the ball here, and you're all set. We're gonna do the other side, and our front sunshade will be installed. All right, and your front Alien Sunshade is installed. I'd recommend coming up top, kind of stretching it out a little bit, making sure it's aligned, and it's time to enjoy it. Thanks for watching.